I wanted to invite you to my home today. We're decorating for Christmas, and there's so much greatness that can be had at Christmas time. I wanted to take you through some of the things that I do at Christmas because I think that it could really help you streamline what you do. One thing that I do is frame the photos that you have taken with Santa year after year, and I try to get a unique, different red festive frame so that we can display all of the photos year after year. And it's so fun to look back. Like, this is when they're like so little and now they're 8 and 11. It's crazy. Oh, they actually left a note yesterday for Snowflake. Snowflake is our elf on the shelf. They have been dying for her to come. So normally she decorates the house. So we're gonna have to keep this on the down low because they still believe, which is awesome. All right, I wanted to show you this. This is a Santa that a friend of mine made and her mom painted, and then this is real wool. And I like to collect things that are unique and personalized and that I can bring in every year and just remember that friend and what she's done for me. And then I also, Santa's fine, we're good. Okay. Every year I try to buy something that's a little bit unique and fun and festive that I like. I don't want to go overboard. I like to keep it to like 8 bins. So if I need to clean out something, I can bring in something new. But I just saw this sign and I thought it was so cute. So I try to buy 1 to 2 really cool, unique items per year. This is something that my grandma made years ago, and this was actually the original house that we lived in. So it has a little house number, and she made this. Now my grandma's 93, so it's actually really special that we still have this, and the girls still play with these little, and Santa. So it's just really special that she has that. All right, these are some stockings that I purchased at a craft fair from a lady. She actually hand knitted them. They're felted wool. They were not inexpensive, but it was my splurge that year. And then I went back and embroidered the names of all of our family members on them. It's not perfect, but my kids love it to know that their mom made something. So I think every year bringing in something new and unique and fun is just fun. All right, a couple years ago, we decided to get a fake tree. I know that some people really like a real tree, but it was just easier on our family. But I still love the evergreen smell. So what we do is cut bushes from the yard, and then we're gonna take this in and use it as a centerpiece. So we still have some of that greenery and the smell. Oh, the house is so pretty. You have like a little sparkle or something on your glitter. I like to make things easy. So this is a simple, easy way that you can decorate your house. I have this plate rack up year round, and then in the fall, I put plates to decorate for the fall. During the year, it's just plain and simple farmhouse. And then at Christmas time, I like to put Christmas plates up. It just makes it festive and easy. Voila! All right, this sits on my fireplace year round, and it's really pretty, but in the holiday time, I like to make it a little more festive. So, open this up, and these are just pretty balls. I wonder what would happen if we dump them in. It's so festive! Woo-hoo. Oh. Is that for the blooper roll? It's too tall, so take 2. We're gonna bring this into the family room here. We'll set it right here, and then we'll add some Christmassy stuff to it to make it festive. Okay, we have Elf on the Shelf. So every year, Snowflake decorates the house. So we're gonna set her out so that it looks like she decorated the house. So here she is. Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh. Where is she? Oh my gosh. My heart just sunk. Her outfits are in here and her letters. Oh, I have no idea where she's at. Okay, we have a problem. This is like serious. Okay, stay tuned.
Hello?
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
We kind of have a problem. Snowflake's not in the box. Do you?
What?
Snowflake? She's not in the box.
And the one on the shelf there?
Uh-huh, yeah. Do you have any thoughts?
I do not.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Completely perplexed.
I know, right? Okay.
Is it packed away with other Christmas stuff?
No, we have all the boxes out. We've gone through them. She's gone.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, this is not good. We do not know where Snowflake is. So with lack of storage sometimes for your Christmas stuff, it's better to have pillow covers instead of an actual pillow, because then you can just, it takes up less space. How cute is that? All right, Buffalo Check is trending. It is so hot. Fluff it up. How cute is that? Buffalo Check. I told you it was trending this season. So I'm just gonna simply make a couple loops with this. And then using the wire on the greenery here, I'm just gonna loop it around to hold it there. And then just make it into a bow. So it just adds a pretty festive touch. This is a really cool versatile piece that I use on my counter year round, and then you can just put different things in it. So 4th of July, you can put flowers or American flags. In the fall, you could put just simple like branches with leaves on them. You can put flowers from your cutting garden. And at Christmas, we just fill them with the greenery. The smell is awesome. I love it. She has got to be up here. Oh, Snowflake. I am so happy right now. You have no idea.